Okay, so we're in 306, and here is our room. So this courtyard is right across the way from Legoland, and it is dark out, so I can't see in there, but this is the room so far. So there's a hide-a-bed right in that couch, little footstool, can't remember what it's called. It looks like it is a queen bed. It might be a king bed. It's not too bad. And then you have your morning TV. It says, "Good morning, Bran." Even though we are officially moved to Nebraska, I am over here for work. And Legoland, if I can figure this out, is over there somewhere. I'll show you during the day. Close the blinds. It is early morning. I just flew in. What is behind door number 1? That's where your refrigerator is. That's where your microwave is. You have a nice little desk here. A place for your furniture. 2 drawers for a dresser. You do have electrical and USB. I believe it's the same on the other side. It is. And you also have an alarm clock on that side. The one thing I do like is that they have like a little desk, working desk, that you can have in front of your, in front of the couch, where you can kind of just chill out after a day, do your computer work, whatever, and watch TV. Now we're going to go into the closet. So you have your safe. And just the basic stuff that you would see in any closet space in a hotel. And then we're going to go into the bathroom. It was a little echoey, so I apologize for that. So I asked them for more soap and shampoo. I love their soap here at the Marriott. I wish they would sell it off-brand, but the lemon sage is really nice. Always ask for more so I can take some home. Shh, don't tell anybody. But here's the shower. Looks pretty nice. And then, yeah, their toilet there. So one of the things that they said is that housekeeping is included, but you have to request it 24 hours in advance, and they'll come in and do everything. But here's a final look of the room. So let's discuss the room and the hotel. I didn't use a lot of the amenities, but the pool looks pretty spacious. A lot of the things I like is that they have like a little bar area where you can get food, breakfast, lunch, dinner. They have like a little cocktail time that you can kind of go down there and enjoy other guests and all that kind of fun stuff. I really enjoyed my stay here. I kind of like Marriott. You know, Courtyard is by Marriott. Marriott's not that bad of a hotel chain. Usually when I travel for business, I'm using Hilton, but this time I was able to do Marriott, and I really enjoyed my stay. One thing that I will say about the room is that the TV, you get HBO and you get Showtime, you get YouTube, you get a couple other things, but for HBO and Showtime, you get that for free. Not the full extensive thing that you would get with your app if you were subscribed to it, but you get a lot of things that is provided. So I was able to watch a few movies on HBO and with Showtime. The Wi-Fi is really quick. I edited a video, uploaded a video here, and it took only a matter of 20 minutes, which is pretty good. I never checked the internet speed. Maybe comment below if that's something that you guys would want us to do, if that's something that interests you, but I didn't test the internet. I'm facing the street. Back behind you guys is the camera. Is the like we can see the beach resort for Legoland, and off to the right there's a eagle nest, a bald eagle nest, so it is protected. But over here you can't see Legoland. I know I didn't really show you guys outside very much. There really isn't much to see. However, at night you can hear the fireworks. You can't see the fireworks, but you can hear the fireworks. close by for restaurants. So that's something that interests you, because a lot of people book in this hotel to go to Legoland. You have Azteca, which is like a Tex-Mex type place. You have Publix. You have a Chinese restaurant. You also have Taco Bell and Golden Corral down the street, and you also have Ruby Tuesdays. And there's a couple even further down the street. There's like Applebee's, Olive Garden, back towards Walmart and Highway 27. You have Walmart there. You have a couple other restaurants. You have Dunkin' Donuts and McDonald's, Zaxby's, and a couple things like that. Other than that, guys, this was not a bad stay. I think total price was right at $170 a night for the 2 weeks I was here. But I'm excited about getting home, seeing Amber and Echo. And it is New Year's, so if we haven't said anything before, Happy New Year. I hope 2022 brings you a lot of joy and a lot of fun, and hopefully we can put 2020 and 2021 behind us, because it's been a mess, let's just be honest. But other than that, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment down below. If you have any questions, concerns, whatever about the hotel and what's around it, perfectly. They do not have a shuttle. I forgot. They do not have a shuttle that goes over to Legoland, but it is walkable-ish distance. But other than that, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching the channel, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.